Chapter 8, Programming in Scratch. The pen is a feature in Scratch that allows a sprite to draw shapes, plot colored pixels, and so forth on the screen with the pen blocks. Lines, dots, rectangles, and circles are the easiest shapes to draw, but with enough scripting, any shape can be created. In Scratch, pen block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. Each pen has a different color. Fact bit: the pen shade has two colors. 0, close to black, is the darkest, and 1, close to white, is the lightest. Pen block menu. This block in the blocks menu is highlighted in dark green and has 11 sub-blocks. Pen down. Choosing this option, the sprite will leave a trail on the stage as it moves. You can alter the size, width, and the color of the line using their respective blocks. Pen up. When this option is selected, the sprite does not leave trail on the stage as it moves. Change pen color by. The color of the pen will change by the value specified when this option is chosen. Set pen size to. The thickness of the pen can be set using this option. Set pen color to. The pen color can be set to any number. For example, if you wish to select red color, type the number 0. 130 is the number for blue, 70 for green, and 170 for magenta. The pen color range starts from 0 and ends at 200. The color of the pen can also be set on the basis of the color chosen using the block color picker, eyedropper tool. For choosing a color, you will have to click on the color box, and after this, you can click anywhere in the Scratch program for changing the color using the eyedropper. Let us observe how it works with the help of following example. Step 1. Delete the cat sprite and add fish 1 sprite on the stage. Step 2. Set the pen block palette. Click and drag the Change Pen Shade by 10 block on the script area. Step 3. Drag the Set Pen Size to 1 and Pen Down block and place them under Change Pen Shade by 10 block. Step 4. Change the value to 10 in Set Pen Size to 1 block. Step 5. Now select the Motion block menu and drag the Move 10 Steps block on the script area. Change the value to 20 in this block. Step 6. Select the Repeat 10 block from the Control block menu and place it over the script. Step 7. Now click on any block in the script and observe the sprite drawing a line with the change in pen shade. Fact bit: in Scratch 2.0, the picture on the stage is called a backdrop. In Scratch 1.4, it is called a background. Setting the sprite position. The stage in Scratch has a 2D coordinate system which uses two coordinates, X position and Y position, to determine the location of a sprite on the stage. The X position value determines the horizontal location of the sprite and the Y position value determines the vertical location or height. The screen is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high rectangular area, such that the X position can range from 240 to -240, where 240 is the rightmost a sprite can be and -240 is the leftmost. And the Y position can range from 180 to -180, where 180 is the highest it can be and -180 is the lowest it can be. The coordinate system is shown in the figure. The easiest way to set a sprite's position is by using blocks from the Motion block palette. Let us see how it can be done with the help of following example. Step 1. Drag the When Clicked block from Events block palette and Forever blocks from the Control block palette to the scripts area. Step 2. Select the Move 10 Steps block from the Motion block and place it inside the Forever block. Change the step value to -100. Step 3. Drag the Wait 1 seconds block from the Control block menu and place it beneath the Move -100 steps block. Step 4. Now click and drag the Set X to 0 block from the motion block on the script area and change its value to 100. Step 5. Again pick the Weight block and place it under Set X to 0 block. Step 6. And change Color Effect by 25 block at the end of the script and change the value of Change Size by 10 to 5. Step 7. Click on the green flag and observe the sprite changing its position, color and size on the stage. In the same manner, value of Y coordinate can also be changed. Changing location randomly. The glide seconds to XY block is a motion block. The block moves its sprite steadily to the specified X and Y position in the specified amount of seconds. This is like pointing the sprite in a direction and repeatedly using move steps but with more precision. You can also use the block to specify any random location of a sprite on the stage. Let us see how it works. Step 1. Delete the cat sprite and add butterfly 3 sprite on the stage. Step 2. Add glide 1 seconds to X0, Y0 block from motion block menu to the script area. Step 3. Drag the Change Color Effect by 5 and Stamp block from Pen block menu and snap all the blocks together. Step 4. Drag and place all blocks together as shown below. Step 5. Click on any block and observe the sprite changing its color and location. Operators block. Operators blocks are one of the 8 categories of Scratch blocks. They are color-coded light green and are used to script math equations and string handling. These are round in shape. These blocks can be placed easily in the value box of another block. Let us perform multiplication calculation in Scratch. Step 1. Open a new file in Scratch window and delete the cat sprite. Step 2. Choose a new sprite from the Choose Sprite from Library button. Step 3. Select the Penguin 1 sprite from the options and click OK. Step 4. Drag the When Clicked block from the Events block menu and place it in the script area. Step 5. Drag the Say Hello for 2 seconds block and Say Hello block from the Looks block category and snap them together under the block. Step 6. Click and drag the block from Operators block and snap it inside Say Hello block. Step 7. Type the text and the number inside the block as shown in the example. Step 8. Click on any block and observe the sprite doing calculations. Change the numbers and observe sprite change the result. Comparing values. The Operators block also contains blocks to compare mathematical values. In Scratch, you can perform less than, greater than, and equal to comparisons by using these blocks. These blocks are known as comparison blocks. Block. Result. Less than. Reports true if the first value is less than the second value. Otherwise, false. Equal to. Reports true if the first value is equal to the second value. Otherwise, false. Greater than. Reports true if the first value is greater than the second value. Otherwise, false. Let us look at the following example. Step 1. Open a new file in Scratch window and delete the cat sprite. Step 2. Choose a new sprite from the Choose Sprite from Library button. Step 3. Select the Penguin 1 sprite from the options and click OK. Step 4. Drag the When Clicked block from the Events block menu and place it in the script area. Step 5. Drag the Say Hello for 2 seconds block from the Looks block category and snap it under the When Clicked block. Step 6. Click and drag the Less Than block from Operators block and snap it inside Say Hello for 2 seconds block. Step 7. Write the values you want to compare in Less Than block. Step 8. Click on When Clicked block and observe the sprite giving you the answer. Generating random numbers. We can also generate a random number from a specified range by using the Pick Random 1 to 10 block from the Operators block menu. Let us see how and what number the sprite generates from the range we specify. Step 1. Drag the when clicked block from the events block menu and place it in the script area. Step 2. Drag the say hello for 2 seconds block from the looks block category. Step 3. Drag the pick random 1 to 10 block from the operators block menu and add it to say hello for 2 seconds. Step 4. Change the range in pick random 1 to 10 block. Step 5. Place the blocks inside the forever block from the control block menu. Step 6. Click on the block to see a random number generated by the sprite. The sprite will generate random numbers from the specified range after the time specified, as it is in forever loop. Lesson sum up. In Scratch, pen block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. Each pen has a different color. The block in the pen block menu is highlighted in dark green and has 11 sub-blocks. The stage in Scratch has a 2D coordinate system which uses two coordinates, X position and Y position, to determine the location of a sprite on the stage. The X position value determines the horizontal location of the sprite and the Y position value determines the vertical location or height. The screen is a 480 into 360 rectangular area. Operators blocks are color-coded light green and are used to script math equations and string handling. Operators blocks are round in shape. These blocks can be placed easily in the value box of another block.